Definitely. This brings me on to nicely to what you had said here, insurance audits.
Yeah.
Best lender on the market. I said the other day, this is something happened, storm damage. Not with this insurer, with this for the buy-to-let. I mean, they've been great for the buy-to-let. You know that yourself.
Yeah.
But with a commercial policy I've got with them, and I says, I tell you what I'll do. I'll just change my insurance from all my properties, for several, which is a lot of properties. I'll change my insurance to someone else and all the rest of it, because they wouldn't uphold it about storm. I says, the wall was there, the storm blew it down, end of story, storm damage.
Yeah.
So they've listened to me, and I says, I tell you what I'll do as well, I'll stop endorsing you. And they're like, oh, well, we'll send it to insurance and see what they say, because they might actually just take a view on this and think, okay, we'll just pay out on it, because we're going to lose this guy.
I was going to say, I've not heard the outcome of it, but
it's a lot of money. It's only the other day they said that. I didn't expect them to come back and say that, but what I did was I was really upset about it, because I was like, this is storm damage. Regardless if your loss adjuster tries to wangle their way around it and say, oh, but there was a bit of vegetation in there and that's what caused it as well. It's like, flipping out, this is a big solid stone wall about 3 or 4 foot thick. It's at the Cooper office. And it was the storm damage. It blew it down, basically. I mean, what? That was the start of the year. That's these storms that happened. So they're a bit upset about this and thought we better review this again. But I tell you what, I will endorse them right now, and they are an excellent buy-to-let landlord policy, and it's Total Landlord Insurance by Hamilton Fraser. I've done Anne Boswell, who weren't great when it came to a claim. They just washed their hands of a claim that I had and just basically drew a line under it and took a view, even though there was more money they were having to pay out for loss of rent, because I couldn't get this resolved with an upstairs neighbour about fixing the roof. And they went, no, we've decided to walk away from this. It's like, that's unbelievable, considering.
Yeah.
Now, everybody can say you can argue, and this is where you value your time. This is why I'll talk about at the end. You can fight with the insurer to get the policy to pay out on technical terms and legal terms. But let me talk about that towards the end of this podcast, and I'll show you how valuable your time is really.